Hey there, Jake Doucette, and today I'm going to show you how to take the taillights off of your 10th gen Civic, starting with these top ones here. Now this will work for 2016 to 2019 Civic. So you just have to pull all those plastic things off. These just pop off like this. And then just pull out. Get it in there. Okay, to pull the top taillights off, you're gonna pull off that bolt in there. You can see down in there, and then these two bolts, and it'll pull right out. Just be careful on that one when you do it, to do it slowly, because it'll fall down in here, and that'll be a pain in the butt. Quick trick I found to pull this one bolt off is to get up at it in here and lean the whole, I'm pulling the whole trunk down so that you're straight up and down with this. That way, hopefully, make sure you're all the way out first. Hopefully. Oh, that didn't work at all. Whoops, did exactly what I said not to do. So the easiest way I found to remove this thing is just to unplug it and then unsnap it. This little plug from the frame rail, which is just right up here. You'll see it. This is the plug right here. Okay, to remove the main headlight, you actually don't need to pull out this panel right here. What you actually need to do is just come around to the back and pull out these two screws, and then that'll be the only screws you need to take out. So as you can see here, it took me a bit to find the right orientation to pull it, but once you just get that, you pull towards the back here and off to the side, like so. That was terrifying, but yeah. All you're doing is pulling these two clips out. So this one, and this one, which this whole thing popped out, which is not ideal, but hopefully it sticks back in. A little bit of risk there, but yeah, you can pull all those wires off. Obviously all these, you can detach all those clips if you want to have fun. Okay, so I was able to retrieve that bolt, believe it or not. Just watch this clip real quick. Update on that bolt I lost earlier. It actually just popped out. I lucked out. Just by moving this up and down enough times, it fell out one of these holes. So that might be a way to get it out if you are unlucky like me and do happen to drop it in there. Otherwise, like a magnet would be great. I ran out of light there, so I wasn't able to film the reverse, but basically if you just watch the video in reverse, that'll show you how to put it back. No, just kidding. Literally just reverse the steps, and that's how you put the headlights, or the tail lights back on. If that was helpful to you, you might want to check out this video of wrapping taillights right here, or here. No, it's here. Yeah, so overall, not a bad job. I'd give it 2 head scratches out of 10. If that was helpful to you, please click that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.